Have you ever held a magnet near a paperclip and watched the clip jump across the table all by itself? Nothing touched it. No string, no push. So how does a magnet pull without touching? Magnets are picky. They grab paperclips, keys, and the fridge door, but not paper, not plastic, and not a shiny sheet of foil. Only a few special metals feel the pull. Here is the secret. Inside a metal like iron, there are countless tiny magnets, far too small to ever see. Every single one has its own little pull. In an ordinary iron nail, those tiny magnets are a messy crowd. They point every which way, up, down, sideways, so all their little pulls cancel each other out. But in a real magnet, every tiny magnet faces the same direction. All those little pulls add together into one strong pull you can feel in your hand. That pull reaches out into the space all around the magnet, right through air and paper. That invisible reaching space is called a magnetic field. Now watch what happens when a magnet touches a nail. The magnet nudges the nail's tiny magnets into line too. And just like that, the nail becomes a magnet as well. That is why one magnet can dangle a whole chain of paper clips, each clip holding the next. Pull the magnet away, the crowd goes messy again, and the chain tumbles down. So, a magnet is not really strong. It is just beautifully organized. Messy crowd, nothing happens. Line them all up and things start flying.
Please subscribe and share your thoughts on other topics you'd like to learn about.